Welcome back to the channel, you guys. We got Junior helping me out today. Exactly tomorrow is going to be All Wheels weekend / Father's Day weekend. So I'm trying to get my bed cleaned out so I can 100% get my Datsun in the car show. Yeah, now we gotta cover it up with the bed of the truck, which is now gonna be a full truck. Yeah! You know, line it up with that fender now. Here, my bad. Let me come hold it. I'll hold it. Hold it straight, fool. There you go. You're good. You're seated. Look at you go. You're learning. You're learning. Well, as you guys see, we are so far got the front end on. Well, bottom front end on. We're using new screws because the old ones were shitty, so we're upgraded to bigger ones. And we're gonna finish this whole front end up. And the bed's also going to get put on the truck too. All right, well, I got my brother here, got my best friend here, and we got the front end onto this Datsun. So now we're gonna get that bed mounted onto that Datsun so we can get ready for the car show tomorrow. All righty, you guys, so we're gonna chalk up the wheels here. I forgot this truck has been in a little tiny accident, rear end accident. So we're gonna try to fix that really quick before tomorrow, before the car show. But bam, the bed is now mounted, ladies and gentlemen. After 3 years, the bed is now mounted. Woo! What is that? Put that over there, please. All right, well, I gotta help this guy out with my own vehicle. So we're gonna chalk the wheel, like I said. Chalk the wheels. I don't think it's gonna pull down. No, no, you're fine. Just push the brake, hold the brake. Slow, tight, stop. You actually put it back. Woo! You're good, Junior. Thank you. He actually put it back where it's supposed to go. That actually worked out very well. You can tell where the car exactly hit me. Yeah. Well, there we go. It's all fixed.
See, but brother never knows what he's talking about.
Yeah, he never fucking does. He never fucking does. I guess I could probably hammer that down, maybe.
Big brothers never know. Never know shit.
You don't know shit.
Fuck you.
Alright, well, that's now fixed for All Wheels weekend. The bed is now on the Datsun after 3 years. Basically, it's a full-on truck again without the engine transmission. Alrighty, we also got my custom rack built a long time ago. It's back on here. It is now secured. I might put the fins back up. I don't care how this truck really fully looks, but oh Oh man, I haven't seen this truck look like this since my first day I got my license. This is crazy. I have him removing my last handle. If it's not the right size, go up again. Oh boy! This guy can't do any single thing right, man. Look at him. Look at him.
Don't make me rake you.
Whoa!
What did he say?
Alright. That's the wrong size. Do it again. Go get another one. Wait, are you joking? Wait, you try it again. You believed me. It could actually work. It's working. Oh, you dumbass.
On today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up.
Yeah, on today's episode is How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up. We're using 2 wrenches to hold 1 nut. Send it. Should work. Oh, it actually fucking worked. 2 wrenches.
Yeah, we need one more.
You're no way. Really?
Let me one.
Never. Alright, we'll try this one-handed. This shander. It kicked me out.
That's fine, I can just unscrew it.
Can you unscrew it? Hey, we still did it with 2 wrenches. Alrighty, all the boat hooks on the outside and inside are now gone. That's what I've been doing with. Bruh! Yep, it looks a little nicer. I kind of do miss my boat hooks because they were very handy actually, but I lost a couple, so kind of sucks. We got it all done. Now we gotta wait until 5 o'clock in the morning, which you guys will see that in the next clip. Dude, look at that. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Hey, Dave brought his car out.
I was chasing shadows, moving too fast. Didn't see the way our love couldn't last. Now I'm stuck replaying what I put you through. Every night I'm haunted by the thought of you. If you need my loving, call me and I'll step on you. And we can talk all night long. If you want me loving, then call me and I'll drive to you. And we can touch all night long. Just call me and I'll.
But we got Guppy the driver. I hate those things.
This is... Alrighty, it is pretty hot out here. Right now, we are going to take off the exhaust to make the truck sound a little louder because I got this annoying fucking clanking sound in the front end. I don't have a front drive line, that's probably the reason. But I want this, I just like to piss people off, and that's my job, okay? My job is to piss people off. So we're driving my dad's shitbox. Oh, sorry, my dad's shitbox. Shitty front end sound with a fucking almost straight piped exhaust. See it taking off that exhaust clamp. I'm gonna bust the exhaust off because it's connected right there.
Oh shit. Can you hold that?
I can't.
Oh.
You could literally use 2 different hands, but you got it. It's fine. You got it out.
How do I take it off to pull it?
That's the reason I give you the hammer. Alrighty. Told you the cheapest way is just to knock off one of those. And there you go. You got a straight pipe.
Dang.
Was it loud when I ripped it?
Yeah.
skunk bus in front of us, full of drunk people. You're allowed to drink on it, allowed to party, and the driver stays sober. And you just have a good old time driving up and down our main street. And yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it is 5:26 in the morning, and today we are towing my Datsun to the car show in a straight pipe Dodge. Woo! Listen to that thing fucking just purr. Listen to that thing purr. What's up, you guys? Today is now Saturday, like I already told you guys at the beginning of this whole video. And right now, we are walking down Main Street to look at all these cool, beautiful looking cars. And we got Dwayne with us because he wants to be with us.
motherfucking lowrider. Give me something for the motherfucking lowrider. Give me something for the motherfucking lowrider. Blacks out, moving like a mold dog. Blacks out, moving like a mold dog. With the shits, this that old spot. Blacks out, moving like a mold dog. Killer P, throw it back, this that so what? Southwest with the shits, this that old spot. Sound boy in the ground, fuck his old spot. Dirty nasty lingo that be attracting. It's crazy when we roll, yeah we make a roll. If you know, then you know. If you don't, you don't. Keep your disses on loud, never speak 'em low, speak 'em low. Dirty nasty lingo that be attracting. It's crazy when we roll, yeah we make a roll. If you know, then you know. If you don't, you don't. Keep your disses on loud, never speak 'em low. Blacks out, moving like a mold dog. Killer P, throw it back, this that so what? Southwest with the shits, this that old spot. Sound boy in the ground, fuck his old spot. Blacks out, moving like a mold dog. Killer P, throw it back, this that so what? Southwest with the shits, this that old spot. Sound boy in the ground, fuck his old spot. Blacks out, moving like a mold dog.
Alrighty, we are done with the car show. What a good year. Pull up. Alright, we're moving. Good. Alrighty. Here we go, driving my truck after so many years.